Nice.
Hindi ka?
Nice. Nice.
Hindi ka sa lambasa.
Good morning. Today, I'm starting to speak in English.
Ano ka dyan? Uy,
Because
magamit ka kainin wifi?
again, today I'm going to speak in English because I'm seeing international, I mean not Filipino viewers. Foreigners, I mean. I'm not fluent, but I will push to speak English. Hello, baby. So, here is Virgie and here is Ice. Mama Virgie will correct me if I'm wrong in English.
Correct minus wrong.
Correct minus wrong. So today
Is the
first swimming in the beach. We're at Boracay. No, I'm joking. We are at Karamuan. I know. This is Sabang.
What ano? What?
In English, what? We're at Sabang, Goa, Camarines Sur. So,
We're at the terminal.
Camsur is the province of Bicol.
We are at the port if you're going to Karamoan.
Yes. Bicol is my native language. Dialect.
Papa, I'm nosebleeding.
Dialect is Bicol. That's my, So, if you're going here from other country, you first arrive at Manila, then you can ride.
Maalon bi ang dagat bi.
Maalon.
Mapada.
May isling man dyan pa.
The beach is very,
Gagapos mo siya.
what is maalon in English?
Wavy.
The beach is very wavy today. What is that?
Kakanin.
Kakanin. Very wavy today.
Exercise muna.
So,
Warm up.
back to what we are discussing. So, when you are at Manila, you can drive down south Luzon,
Malumuyin man pati ang
or you can ride a bus or airplane
practice.
to Naga. Then
60 kilometers.
60 kilometer
From Naga.
to Sabang. Here. Sabang means port.
No.
What is Sabang mean?
Sabang. You will always encounter
Aling
the
guys.
word Sabang as a name of
Alingay sa
place.
66 kilometers.
As a place in the Philippines. Sabang means beside a body of water, either beside a river, beside a sea. Sabang.
Okay, FYI. So here in Bicol we have 3 volcanoes. If you're familiar with Mayon volcano,
Ito
That's
was a
one.
candidate in
Seven Wonders. Yes. So the other 2 is Bulusan and
Is a road.
Isarog. Okay.
This is what is this? This is an airport.
So we want to swim now.
Ice will gonna swim.
So see you later. Alligator. Yeah. Kaya. What is that? Huh? Snake? That is not snake. Ahas da ahas. Whee! Jackpot. Whee! Whee! beach is very wavy. Okay. Haggis! Haggis in a beach! Don't throw that diaper in the beach!
Ano to?
What is that? What is that? Yay! Nice, 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 nice. Ako ba na?
Hey, mom!
Ako ba na?
So, ano to?
What happened?
Nakubalang ka?
Ah. One more time.
Teka lang, tayo naman.
One more time.
Naman? Wow! So, yun na nga si Lola, oh. 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 Wow! Oh, si Lola. Si Lola, oh.
Yay!
Ay, ano? Wow!
You're afraid? Yeah.
Yan.
Ang takot siya, takot. Yay!
Isaw-saw mo na.
Yan.
Takot siya sa tanaw. He is afraid. He is afraid. Yee!
Gusto ko Boracay.
Yay!
Patay niya na iling.
Okay na yan, okay na yan. Okay na yan. Okay na yan. Okay na. Yay! Congratulations!
Basa ako yung likod.
You survived!
Ano na kaya? Alas
First time. It's his first time. It's okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, beach.
Gano?
First time.
Ano, gutom.
Wrong way. Yeah, we're going back home. Yeah. We're back home. Yeah, Hmm? Thank you guys for watching our video. I have a question, guys. What if we're not throwing away diapers properly? That we spend millions of diapers every day and we just throw it away outside. Like if we throw it away in the ocean or anywhere, what will happen to us? But please throw diapers properly. Leave a comment. Bye guys. See you in the next video. So we